This is 7 National News, and in our top story, in his capacity as the ruler of Dubai, the UAE Vice President and Prime Minister, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has issued a number of new laws to further enhance the organisational structure and legal framework for the Dubai Smart City project. The new laws aim to enhance the progress of the Smart City initiative and also encourage innovation through a collaboration between the public and private sectors. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed said that we must work together as a single team and also look for help from experts who can build the future of the UAE, particularly talented young people who want to serve their country. The new laws include Law number 29 of 2015 on the establishment of the Dubai Smart City Office, Law number 30 on the establishment of the Dubai Smart City Establishment, Decree number 37 on the formation of the Board of the Dubai Smart City Office, and Decree number 38 of 2015 appointing a Director General for the office. Some of the laws also include the authorisation of entering into partnerships within and outside of the Emirate, as well as establishing a central database. In the presence of His Majesty King Mohammed VI of Morocco, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, who's also the Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, officially opened the Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi over the weekend. The multi-speciality hospital on Al Maya Island over in the capital is a part of Mubadala's network of healthcare providers, and the opening ceremony was held in conjunction with the UAE National Day celebrations. In a speech, Khaldoon Khalifa Al Mubarak, the CEO of Mubadala, revealed that the clinic is the most advanced medical institution in the region, in line with the Abu Dhabi Economic Vision for 2030. Walid Al-Mukarrab Al-Maheri, Mubadala's deputy CEO, added that the hospital has already started welcoming patients and has completed more than 44,000 appointments and 300 procedures and surgeries since its soft opening back in March this year. Al-Maheri also highlighted that the clinic is an extension of the US-based Cleveland Clinic, bringing nearly a century of clinical excellence and medical expertise to the Emirate, and also reducing the need for UAE patients to travel abroad for more complex and critical care. The Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi has 5 centres of excellence in areas such as heart and vascular, neurological, digestive diseases, eyes and respiratory and critical care. In all, more than 30 medical and surgical specialities are represented at the clinic. His Majesty King Mohammed VI of Morocco also inaugurated the Moroccan-Heritage Week at the Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Centre, as well as the Abu Dhabi Equestrian Club on Friday evening. Held under the patronage of the King of Morocco, the inauguration ceremony was attended by His Highness Sheikh Tahnoon bin Mohammed Al Nahyan, Abu Dhabi's ruler representative in the eastern region, as well as His Highness Sheikh Sharjah bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the National Security Advisor and Deputy Chairman of the Abu Dhabi Executive Council. The event will continue until the 11th of December under the supervision of the Ministry of Presidential Affairs, which is showcasing authentic Moroccan arts and culture. His Highness Sheikh Sharjah thanked the King of Morocco for opening the event, and that his inauguration, which coincides with the UAE's 44th National Day anniversary, reflects the depth of the UAE-Moroccan relations. The King of Morocco then toured the exhibition, which features cultural, artistic and historic components of Morocco, and also toured the Abu Dhabi Equestrian Club, where they were briefed about Art de Toubourida, which is a traditional Moroccan equestrian sport that dates back to the 15th century, as well as other folklore activities. The Ministry of International Cooperation and Development has revealed that the UAE provided 174 billion dirhams in foreign aid to 178 countries and geographical areas between 1971 and 2014. In a special report on the occasion of the UAE's 44th National Day, it was revealed that around 129 billion dirhams, or 74% of the UAE's foreign aid, came directly from government institutions. 30.5 billion dirhams from the Abu Dhabi Development Fund, 5.7 billion from the Emirates Red Crescent, and 2.9 billion from the Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Foundation. The report also noted that the UAE ranked as the world's most generous donor in 2013 and 2014. The largest recipient of the UAE's foreign aid by continent was Asia, with more than 80 billion dirhams, followed by Africa with 75.5 billion, used for development projects such as housing, roads, bridges and power generation. The MICAD report also showed that the largest part of aid is concentrated in the government and civil society sector at 80.6 billion dirhams, followed by the public programme support sector with 22.5 billion dirhams, according to news agency WAM. Humanitarian and relief aid in emergency situations accounted for around 8.5 billion dirhams. The report also showed that the UAE donors have supported children with about 2 billion dirhams over the past 44 years. The Emirates are also the largest donor to Yemen from 1971 to 2015, amounting to 6.65 billion dirhams. The UAE foreign aid to Yemen last year amounted to around 1.3 billion until the end of October. Additionally, to date, the UAE has provided 2.14 billion dirhams to help 1.5 million internally displaced people and refugees in Syria, as well as the host countries including Jordan, Lebanon, Iraq, Turkey and Egypt. The UAE has also granted around 100,000 visas to Syrians, and around 242,000 of their nationals currently reside here in the UAE. As a part of the first phase of the Sharjah Consultative Council elections, the Higher Committee has announced that registrations will open for members of the electoral colleges from December the 6th to the 17th, and candidate registrations will take place from December the 27th to the 29th. According to a local report, all the phases of the elections will be performed under the guidance of His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Kazmi, the Supreme Council member and ruler of Sharjah. The report added that according to the authority, citizens can register at 14 polling stations across the emirate. The stations will be in the city of Sharjah, in Kalba, Khor-Fakkan, Dibba Al-Hassin, Al-Daid, Al-Hamriya, Al-Madam, Al-Batia and Al-Malhiya. These will be open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m, including weekends, and citizens will also be required to present their Emirates ID and original family books. Additionally, the committee said a press conference will be held in Sharjah's municipality headquarters at 10 a.m. this Sunday in order to provide more information on this registration process. Around 1,350 women in the GCC region are diagnosed with ovarian cancer every year, and nearly 750 die from the disease, according to a new report. The latest survey conducted in the UAE reveals that of 400 women respondents, nearly 75% who had ovarian cancer were unaware of the symptoms and were less likely to be diagnosed before the cancer had spread. The survey also showed that almost half, at 46% of respondents, did not know why it was important for women to find out whether they had inherited the BRCA gene mutation. Off the back of this, AstraZeneca has launched a new campaign to help promote early diagnosis under the title of Listen to Your Body. Health experts are highlighting some of the warning signs, which can include bloating, pelvic or abdominal pain, or also feeling full very quickly. And women are being advised to seek medical advice if these symptoms persist. It was also noted that ovarian cancer can occur at any age, but those of 45 years and above are at higher risk. Finally, looking to other news now. In a bid to encourage the community here in Dubai to lead a healthier lifestyle, the Dubai Health Authority has announced the launch of a rewards point programme that will be linked to the mandatory health insurance scheme here in the Emirates. According to a local report, through certain apps, a person's healthy behaviour will be measured, and customers will be awarded points for completing certain healthy actions. The rewards include free access to specialised health professionals or services, healthy meal vouchers, gym memberships, free subscriptions to health magazines and much more. Data from the apps that are fitness trackers such as Fitbit and other participating outlets will be used to provide insured members with rewarded points. The health insurance scheme is currently underway, and by mid-2016 the rollout will be complete, ensuring that all Dubai residents have mandatory health insurance. Presently, customers can log on to search for a health insurance that they'd like to purchase, and there are also various search options. The facility is known as Marketplace, where users and businesses interested to participate in the Rewards Point initiative can log on and register themselves.